Closed captioning is an essential accessibility feature that displays text-based representations of audio content on your TV screen. Closed captioning provides text for dialogue, sound effects, and speaker identification. The easiest way is by pressing the dedicated CC button on your Xfinity remote. This will enable or disable captions on live TV, DVR recordings, and streaming content. If your remote doesn't have a CC button, access the settings through the Xfinity app or on-screen menu. Navigate to Settings, Accessibility, Closed Captioning, and then toggle the feature on or off. This will enable or disable captions on live TV, DVR recordings, and streaming content. For voice control, if you have the X1 voice remote, you can simply say, "Turn on closed captions" or "Turn off closed captions." Xfinity TV offers several customization options for closed captions. In the accessibility settings, you can adjust the font, size, color, and background of the captions to improve readability. Choose from preset styles or create a custom profile to suit your preferences. If you're having trouble with closed captions, first ensure that the channel or program supports them, as mandated by FCC regulations. If captions are still not appearing, try restarting your Xfinity device or checking for firmware updates in the device settings menu. For Rogers Ignite TV users, the process is similar, accessible via the Ignite app's Accessibility tab. Remember, closed captions are different from subtitles. CC is meant for dialogue, sound effects, and speaker identification in the viewer's language, while subtitles are typically translations for foreign films.